Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Cleaning used to be a total drag. The cleaning aisle was a sea of boring bottles, harsh chemical smells, and labels that screamed danger. You'd hide these ugly products under your sink, embarrassed to let anyone see them. Using them felt like a necessary evil. Harsh chemicals, toxic fumes, and zero joy. There was no style, no fun, just a chore you had to get through. We designed our homes with care, but cleaned them with products we hated. It didn't make sense. Something had to change. Then it did. Two guys saw this landscape of boring and thought, what if cleaning products could be beautiful, safe, and good for the planet? It was a simple idea, but revolutionary. Suddenly, the cleaning aisle was about to get a makeover. And that's where our story begins. Meet Eric Ryan and Adam Lowry, roommates in San Francisco, the perfect team. Eric was the design guy, Adam, the green chemist. They looked at their own ugly, toxic cleaning products and decided to do better. Their big idea combined high-end design with eco-friendly chemistry. They worked with designer Karim Rashid to create sleek, sculptural bottles. Colorful, modern, and beautiful. You'd want to show them off, not hide them. Inside, Method's formulas were plant-based, biodegradable, and non-toxic. No harsh chemicals like bleach or ammonia. Safer for families, pets, and the planet. They listed ingredients clearly, championing transparency. And the scents? Cucumber, lavender cedar, pink grapefruit. Cleaning finally smelled amazing. Method didn't just look good, it felt good to use. They turned cleaning into a lifestyle experience. People weren't just buying soap, they were buying joy. Method started smart, placing their products in design stores and trendy boutiques. This created buzz and positioned them as a premium, design-forward brand. But their goal was bigger. Bring sustainable cleaning to everyone. Their big break came with Target, a perfect fit for Method's stylish, eco-friendly vibe. Suddenly, millions could buy Method right next to the old brands. Their bold, minimalist branding stood out. Bright colors, clean fonts, and a playful voice. No fear tactics, just a simple positive message. People against dirty. They built a loyal following, turning customers into fans and fans into a movement. Method wasn't just selling soap, they were selling an idea. The idea that you could have a clean home without compromising on style or health. Their witty copy and fun branding made people smile. They proved consumers wanted better options. Method became a brand with personality, and people loved it. The cleaning aisle would never be the same. Method knew real change meant more than green products. It meant green operations. So, they built the South Side Soapbox in Chicago, the first LEED Platinum factory in their industry. Powered by wind and solar, with a green roof and recycled materials, it was a symbol of their commitment. They created good jobs and invested in the local community. Method proved you could be profitable and responsible. With this foundation, they expanded. Hand soap, dish soap, laundry detergent, even body wash. Each new product followed the same formula. Beautiful design, great scents, eco-friendly ingredients. Their teardrop-shaped hand soap bottle became iconic. They kept innovating, keeping fans excited. Marketing was creative. Social media campaigns, pop-ups, and customer engagement. Fans shared photos, becoming brand ambassadors. The People Against Dirty movement grew into a real community. Method showed how modern branding could build loyalty and impact. Method's success shook up the industry. Copycats appeared, but that was a win. Method forced the industry to care about design and sustainability. In 2012, Method joined forces with eCover, a European green cleaning pioneer. Then, in 2017, they were acquired by SC Johnson, a sign that even the biggest players valued their mission. Some worried Method would lose its soul, but the message was clear. Sustainability and design now mattered everywhere. What can entrepreneurs learn? Find a boring industry and make it beautiful. Have a mission beyond profit. Method's North Star was design and sustainability. Be bold and authentic. Connect emotionally with customers. Today, the cleaning aisle is transformed. Consumers expect safe, stylish, sustainable products. Method sparked a movement toward conscious consumerism. Two roommates changed the world, one beautiful, clean countertop at a time. That's a story worth celebrating.